Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning this morning. We got some rain yesterday. The grass is kind of nice and green. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's kind of dark, guys. It's still about 6 o'clock in the morning, a little after 6. But yeah, had my coffee made already. Yeah, I'm going through. It's getting started. It's an early morning, early start this morning. So just a quick update. Yesterday I was running around. I ended the video early yesterday. I think the footage is early because I had to run around doing county stuff in and out. There was just no time for me to focus on filming yesterday. It was more of a serious day yesterday. So yesterday I was between, health department, Swanee, the county, both counties. It's like 3 different departments. So I had to stay focused on what they need. They need a bunch of stuff. So I got all those corrected. I had to come back, deal with the architect, deal with the county themselves. Let me roll this window. Yeah, deal with the county themselves, figuring out what they need, having the architect making the changes. So it was a pretty hectic day paperwork wise and figuring out stuff. So it was hard for me to just film in between. It's me alone. If I had someone filming, that would probably be a little bit easier, but I'm doing this alone, so I have to be holding the camera in one hand, figuring out, what I'm gonna film and doing all of that. It was just too much. So I decided, not to film while I'm there. I can't even film when I'm in those government buildings. So, it really didn't make no sense. I film all of that. So that's why I said, you know what, let me just, speak about it. You know what I'm saying? So this is where I'm at. It's some good news, it's some bad news. So no bad news. It's some good news and there's, corrections. I guess the bad news would have to be the corrections. So good news is we signed off, the Gwinnett County signed off. I believe I spoke about that before. Gwinnett County signed off on their plans. So with them signing off on their plans, now we have to get the signed off on the health department plans. So they have to sign off on their part, and then once they sign off on their part, we're gonna take their cover sheet, their sign off, and take it to Swanee with both plans, both the Gwinnett and the health department, to get our building permit. So as far as the building permit, we need those two agencies to sign off on it before we could apply for that building permit, right? So we were in the process yesterday. I was in the process of getting the health department all the information they need and corrections on that plan for them to sign off on it, right? So that's why I was pretty much busy yesterday. They had like 13 different corrections and questions for me to answer that they wanted, me to fix in terms of them giving us that sign off. So I answered all of them, took care of them. However, yesterday it was a Friday evening. I doubt they're gonna look at it. By the time I got the architect to make the changes, he sent it back. I have to print a new plan. So I went and got the new plan printed, take it over there, drop it off, email the person who's doing the inspector, email them with all the changes. It takes a little bit of time to write all that up and and state what I've done, in terms of the corrections, answer all her questions that she needed. It took a little bit of time, so that took the whole day pretty much. I had to finish so I could go get my daughter as well. So that's what I did yesterday. So yesterday you won't see a lot of video yesterday. It was gonna be a short video, just like the one the other day. it was really short, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. So some days, guys, it's just gonna be 5 minutes. Some days it's gonna be 10. You know, some days it's gonna be an hour. It just depends on where I'm going and what I'm doing. As I said, you know, I'll speak about it, what I do the next morning. So now I'm driving, you know, I'm heading over to the salon. I have time, I could film and actually say what I did, you know. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's you know, sun's just coming out. It's after 6, guys. If you look, you know, see, it's a nice day. It's gonna be nice and sunny. There's a little bit of cloud in the skies. Nothing, no rain clouds or anything. Maybe it will rain later, but not you know, not right now. So yeah, it's a Saturday morning, so there's less traffic, no school zone this morning. There's no school. The highways are probably less congested. Yeah, no traffic build up on the highways. So guys, I'm doing a little bit of weather this morning. It's like news in the morning. I'm doing a little bit of weather, a little bit of traffic. You know, a little bit of everything this morning. So yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I'm heading over to the salon. I'm gonna get that cleaned up before anyone gets there, and you know, I still have another room. Excuse the yawn, guys. Excuse the yawn. It's early. I have another room that I have to do a what do you call it? A little small accent wall. It's like a little curve wall in that front barber shop. So you saw me when I did the other one yesterday, a couple days ago, the maroon color back accent wall. So now I'm gonna do a black accent wall in another suite. So I have that to do maybe tonight. Today's a Saturday, so barbers are normally busy, so I don't think I'll be able to do it today. I'll probably do it tonight. I told him last night, man, guys, I'm tired. So after all that running around at nighttime, you beat tired. So, and then, you know, my schedule, I'm kind of going against my schedule, because my schedule is like, I try to go to bed a little bit earlier than usual, you know what I'm saying? So that way I could get enough sleep. I get up early in the morning, guys, so I can't be getting up 6 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, going to bed 1, 2 o'clock. Don't make no sense. Your body don't get enough rest, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying out this new thing. I used to go to bed 1, 2 o'clock in the morning and trying to get up 6 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning, and then I find myself just super tired by evening time. So I'm trying to get enough rest, guys. I'm trying to get enough rest, so that way, sorry about that, my coffee was spilling. It was going around the corner and it was kind of spilling. Yeah, so I'm trying to get enough sleep, so that way I'm prepared to jump into this build when I'm starting to work, you know what I'm saying, to actually work on the Peppaz project. I gotta get up every day and go over there, and you know what I'm saying. So I'm just trying to get in shape and you know, yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna head over there. Hopefully it's not that messy. I'm gonna run through it. Should take me about 10-15 minutes. Clean the salon real good and then head back over, do some editing. I have a bunch of footages I have to edit this week, so I'm gonna edit all those footages and get them out. And thank you again, guys. I can't stress it. Thank you for the subscribers. The channel is growing. I'm up to like 1,500, almost 1,600 subscribers. It's like 1,590 something when I checked this morning. So thank you, guys. I appreciate the subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't have grown this fast. I'm, you know, don't get me wrong, I'm not monetized or anything like that, but we get there. With you guys watching all the videos, we should get there in no time. So I appreciate you guys subscribing, tuning in to what I'm doing and what I'm saying. I appreciate the watch hours. I appreciate the like. I appreciate the share. There's a lot of shares. When I look at it, there's a lot of share. People shared over 300 of my content, whether it's shorts or videos. They shared it. The views are crazy. I have a lot of views. past 28 days or 30 days is crazy. So I appreciate the views, guys. I appreciate the subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Even if you watch for only 10 minutes, some of these videos are long. Even if you watch just a part of it, or you know, skip here and there, and you know what I'm saying, I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm heading over to Salon. I'm almost there, so stay tuned. When I get there, I'll show you what it looks like. We'll see how dirty it is. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So we're pulling in. There's Marlo's right there. Lifestyle right there. No one is here yet. Just brunch right there. None of these places are open yet, so. We got the barber here early. All the barbers are here early. Yeah, let me go get my parking situated. Parking situation situated.